taken away, and I had to go downtown a couple times, and then pretty much I just kind of...
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. What's the matter?
I went downtown a couple of times.
Hey, baby.
There's a warrant out for your arrest. I'm not going
Hey,
to
baby.
go to jail. You're going to end up getting a ticket for that. And it'll give you a court date for a month from now, so you can go take care of it. And the other thing is
Mojo.
you get a ticket for running the stop signs.
Mojo, hey. Look up. Look up, Mojo.
Shift into high gear and clear up the outstanding warrant.
I take off, but hit your ass when I stop at this sign right here.
Don't worry, buddy. You may feel like a loser, but we think you're a
Sleepy
winner.
I
puppies.
see it serving the purpose of him losing his job, going to jail for a traffic violation. He wasn't combative.
You're gonna fall off the bed.
He was not uncooperative in any way, shape, or form. He was very polite. He was very professional.
3 weeks old.
And that in itself goes a long way sometimes.
Won't be able to do this for much longer.
Speeders.